This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current cooking sauce is now sporting a brand new look. Our cooking sauces are a versatile base sauce that is great for cooking rice, meat, seafood or vegetables. Explore our other cooking sauces in the range. The black pepper cooking sauce is convenient and easy to use. The black pepper sauce is a signature stir-fry spice for seafood and meat, created with a finer selection of black pepper and spices. In this video, we will show you how to prepare black pepper beef. Let's start. Here are the ingredients you will need. You may also use seafood or meat of your choice. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Mix sliced beef with cornstarch and cooking oil. Mix well and set aside. Step 2. Heat oil on high heat, add beef and stir fry till almost cooked. Remove and set aside. Step 3. Add Prima Taste black pepper cooking sauce, water and ginger. Mix well. Add Chinese scallion, red and green capsicum, stir fry till shining and sauce evenly coats the beef. And there you have it. Delicious black pepper beef is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Check out our website for more cooking videos.